Alam mo kung bakit tahimik si Lord at parang hindi niya sinasagot yung prayers mo? Kasi hindi pa siya tapos magsalita, nagreklamo ka na. Minsan akala natin tahimik si Lord kasi malayo siya. Parang paulit-ulit tayo nagpe-pray, umiiyak, nagtatanong, naglalabas ng sama ng loob, pero feeling natin wala pa ring sagot. Pero maybe the reason why it feels quiet is not because God is absent. Maybe it's because your heart is still so full of pain, fear, frustration, and noise. And God, being loving and gentle, lets you pour it all out first. God is a respectful God eh. Hindi kanya pipilitin, hindi kanya sasapawan, hindi kanya i-interrupt habang binubuhos mo lahat ng bigat ng dala mo. Hahayaan ka muna niya magsalita. Hahayaan ka muna niyang umiyak. Hahayaan ka munang ilabas lahat. Not because He is ignoring you, but because He is listening. And sometimes, the moment you stop venting, the moment you become still, the moment you finally surrender instead of just complaining, that's when you start to feel His presence. Doon mo mafe-feel na hindi pala siya nawala. Hindi pala siya tahimik dahil wala siyang sagot. Tahimik lang siya kasi hinihintay kanyang matapos. Minsan ang kailangan natin is rest, stillness, surrender. Kasi in silence, sa katahimikan, doon madalas nagsasalita si Lord sa puso natin.